Building furniture is like crafting a masterpiece, and if there's one unsung hero in this creative process, it's edgebanding. This simple yet crucial component plays a critical role in ensuring your furniture not only looks fantastic, but stands strong over time. 1. Perfect color harmony. When edgebanding is chosen right, the colors match perfectly, creating a smooth and uniform look. This is not only related to style, it is also critical in ensuring that the furniture has a flawless appearance. Color harmony is an important element to maintain the aesthetic integrity of the furniture and to ensure that the design emerges as desired. 2. Avoiding big headaches. In furniture production, errors of the printer on back of edgebanding can be very costly. For example, correcting an error in the handles may only require changing the handle, but fixing an error in the edgebanding may necessitate reproduction of complete furniture. We can simply say choosing edgebanding produced with the right raw materials essentially serves as insurance for furniture maker. 3. Quick fixes and long-lasting furniture. Edgebanding serves as a shield that protects furniture edges from wear and damages. Investing in the right edgebanding provides effective protection against damage to the furniture, leading to its long-term durability. 4. Cost efficiency. Making a mistake in choosing the right edgebanding can end up costing more than the furniture itself. Imagine having to redo or replace a whole piece because the edgebanding didn't do its job. Choosing the right one might seem like a small decision, but it's a smart move that saves you a lot of troubles. 5. Resistance to light. The light fastness of each edgebanding is not the same. For example, after being exposed to sunlight for a certain period, we may observe that one of the two different white edgebanding has yellowed or faded. Edgebanding, although it may seem like just a covering material in furniture production, holds much greater significance. At Teche, our rich formula and experience dating back to 1987 help us overcome significant headaches by ensuring the perfect matching color to your board and guaranteeing their durability for years. When choosing edgebanding, remember this: it's not just a small detail, it's a superpower that enhances the quality of your furniture.